Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm making chicken tikka biryani. So first step is to marinate the cube chicken pieces. All the exact measurements for the ingredients is up on my blog and link will be in the descriptions. So I've added ginger garlic paste, chili powder, cumin powder, coriander powder. I'm going to add turmeric powder, ground black pepper, a bit of lemon juice and plain yogurt. And I've also added mustard oil. Add salt and mix the chicken pieces very well. You can leave it in the fridge to marinate for a couple of hours or overnight for best results. You can use any type of oil here, but it's preferred to use mustard oil as it gives such a beautiful colour, and you can avoid using any food colouring in your food. Once you're ready to cook the chicken, heat your pan very hot and then cook about 4 to 5 minutes on both sides until it's cooked, and try not to overcook as it will dry out the chicken. Next step is to make the masala for the biryani. So I like to use fresh garlic and ginger paste and then crush them. When this is fried in oil, it gives such a beautiful aroma and taste. So once your pan is hot, add your ghee. Once that is melted, add your whole spices and the crushed ginger garlic paste. Here I'm just using bay leaves, cinnamon sticks and cardamoms. You can add other spices as you wish, such as danis, cloves, whatever you like. So here I've just added the crushed ginger garlic and I'm going to cook that for 30 seconds to a minute. And it's very important that you keep stirring so it doesn't burn, and then add your onions. After I allowed the onions to cook for a couple of minutes, I'm adding tomatoes and salt, and I'm going to cook that until everything is nice and soft. So for the rice, I recommend long grain basmati rice, and you need to soak this for 30 minutes to an hour, which will reduce cooking time and avoid rice becoming too mushy. So next up, you need to chop up your chicken tikka that we made before. This will allow every single bite to have a little piece of chicken. So once the onions and tomatoes have cooked through, it's time to add the dry spices. You can use your spoon or spatula and press on the onion to see if it cuts through easily. If it does, you can add your spices. So to the masala, I've added turmeric powder, cumin powder, coriander powder and chili powder. Add more chili powder if you like it more spicy, or if you like it less, add less. Add water to the masala as necessary. I'm just adding a little bit here to ensure it doesn't stick to the pan or get burnt, and it thins out the gravy a little. The masala is very important for the biryani, and you need to make sure that it's cooked well and the oil separates so that the spices are cooked through. Once that is done, add your chopped up chicken tikka and mix well and cook that for about 5 minutes on low heat. Now time to add mint and coriander leaves and cook for another couple of minutes. Next step is to make the rice. So in some boiling water, add salt and whole spices and add your rice. The rice needs to be 90% cooked. As soon as it's done, drain it. So the final step is to sprinkle your rice over the tikka masala. It's very important you sprinkle and don't press down, as this will make the rice mushy and not fluffy. Then garnish with some mint leaves, coriander leaves and fried onions. You can also add melted butter on top or saffron milk as well. And then cover up with foil or a towel and then put the lid on. Cook the biryani for 5 minutes on medium heat and 15 minutes on low heat. After that, your biryani is done. Give it a good mix and serve. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. This dish is my absolute favourite, loved by family and was highly requested by my Instagram community. I hope you enjoy this as much as we do. Take care and I hope to see you in the next video.